Hello students. Students, in the previous video we are discussing about introduction about logarithms, system of logarithms, properties of logarithms, laws of logarithms and some example problems. So once you revise all the definitions, what are the logarithms? If n and a are b any positive real numbers, there exists a real number x such that if a power x equal to n, then logarithm of n base a equal to x. For example, 5 cube equal to 125, log 125 base 5 equal to 3. Next, what are the common logarithms? The logarithms which bases are 10 are called common logarithms. These common logarithms are also called Briggs logarithms. Next, another type of logarithms are what? Natural logarithms or Napier logarithms. So logarithm whose base are e is equal to 2.7324 approximately. Those logarithms are called natural logarithms. Okay, along with learn some properties and laws of product rule, quotient rule, power rule, chain rule, and examples also. Now I am going to explain characteristic and Montesa. This characteristic and Montesa how to find. So here are observing one image is visible to you. In this image, some table is observing decimal numbers, some numbers in the column and some numbers other column side. This is called log table. By applying this log table, we will find the Montesa as well as characteristic. So first of all, we will see the definition. What is the characteristic and Montesa? The integral part of a common logarithm. Integral part of a common logarithm is called characteristic. And non-negative decimal part is called Montesa. Okay students, so for example we'll see. So log 1000 base 10 is how much? 3. We know that. So because log 1000 how to write 10 cube, 3 into log 10 base 10, 3 1. Here 3.19 students. 3.0000. So here 3 is called characteristic. This decimal along with zeros. 0.000 is called Montesa. Okay students, so what is the characteristic? The integral part of a common logarithm is called the characteristic and non-negative decimal part is called the Montesa. We will see one more example. Log 2 base 10 equal to 0.3010. This is how to know by using log table. Next class I am explaining how to use the logarithmic tables. Just to remember, log 2 base 10 is equal to 0.3010. So here what is the characteristic? 0 is called a characteristic. This 0.3010 is called Montesa. Okay students, so this characteristic and Montesa we can define two ways. First one is the characteristic and Montesa for greater than 1, log value greater than 1, and second one logarithm value is less than 1. how to find the characteristic. Okay students, characteristic whose log value greater than 1 and whose log value lies between 0 to 1. How to find the characteristic? Okay, let we will see. So look at the board. The characteristic of the logarithm of a number greater than 1 is positive. Very important students, how to find characteristic of a logarithm whose value is greater than 1. First of all, the characteristic of a logarithm whose value is greater than 1 is always positive. Remember. Next, and 1 less than the number of digits in the integral part of the number. That means, look at the example. If number 8 is given, so number of digits in the integral part are 1. Now what is the characteristic? Characteristic of log n. According definition, the characteristic of a logarithm of a number greater than 1 is positive and 1 less than number of digits. The number of digits is how many? 1. 1 less than 1 minus 1, 0. Next, here how many number of digits are there in the integral part? 2. 32 means 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Next, here how many digits are there? 4. 4 minus 1, 3. This is the way to find the characteristic. So here, remember 0. Neither positive nor negative. Except 0, all are positive numbers. 1, 3. Next, other numbers. So this is the formula. The characteristic of a logarithm of a number greater than 1 is positive and 1 less than the number of digits in the integral part of the number. Very important. Okay students. So look at the board and observing. See, if you want one more example here, 24.36 is given. So here, how many digits are there in the integral part? 2. So here 2 is right. Now characteristic of the logarithm. So here 2 is positive. So 2 minus 1 what? Students, 1. Okay. So this is the way how to find the characteristic of a logarithm of a number greater than 1. Okay students. So here you can observe the note point. What is the note point? Very important. The characteristic of a number whose integral part consists of n digits is n minus 1. Very important. Okay. For example, log 100 plus 10 is equal to 2. So how to find the characteristic of this value? So in 100, n equal how many digits are there? 3 digits. According to note point, the characteristic of a number whose integral part consists of n digits is n minus 1. 3 minus 1 how much? 2. 2 came or not? Similarly, one more example. Log 10,000 plus 10. So here n contain how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So characteristic how to find? 5 minus 1, 4. So then 4.0000. Okay students. So this is very important formula. The characteristic of a number whose integral part consists of n digits is n minus 1. Okay. And reverse also can apply. If the characteristic is n minus 1, then the log containing how many digits? N digits. This is also important, vice versa. If the characteristic of a logarithm is n minus 1, then the number of digits of the log value is how much? N. That means n minus 1 plus 1 is equal to n. These two also remember. Okay students. Next, look at the second type of characteristic. The characteristic of the logarithm of a number less than 1 is negative and is numerically greater than by 1. Then the number of zeros between the decimal sign and the first significant digit of the number. Understood? The characteristic of the logarithm of a number less than 1. See, look at the example, then you can clearly understood. 0.5 less than 1, 0.025 less than 1, 0.0076 less than 1, yes. So how to find this type of decimal numbers characteristics? So for there is one formula, numerically greater than 1, then the number of zeros between the decimal sign and the first significant digit of the number. Simple, easy way I will understood. I will explain to you. Here, decimal after how many zeros there? For example, number of zeros I will consider as n. Then the characteristic of the number how to find? Characteristic minus 1 minus of n plus 1 minus n plus 1. That means, look here, decimal point after how many zeros are there between the decimal point and significant digit? Okay, nothing. That means 0. So what is the characteristic? Minus 0 plus 1 minus 1. Next, decimal after significant digit between how many zeros are there? 1 0. That means number of zeros are here 1. So the characteristic how to find? According to formula minus of n plus 1. 1 plus 1 how much? Minus 2. Next, 0.0076. Decimal point to significant digit between how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Now number of zeros are 2. According to formula, what is the characteristic? Minus of 2 plus 1 3 minus 3. Okay students, the characteristic of a logarithm of a number less than 1, that means decimal numbers and less than 1. Characteristic is what? Negative. Is negative and is numerically greater than by 1. Then the number of zeros between the decimal sign and the first significant digit of the number. Simple, easy way to find the characteristic of a logarithm, okay, of a number less than 1 is equal to minus of number of zeros plus 1. I think all of understood by the example. Okay students, I think all of understood how to find the characteristic, how to find the mantissa. So next class I will explain how to read the logarithmic table. Okay students, I think all of you understood today class. Thank you.